Mill-Unjoni Ewropea llum, żjara tal-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Ursula von der Leyen fil-kapitali tal-Litwanja Vilnius fl-okkażjoni tal-20 anniversarju mis-sħubija tal-Litwanja fl-Unjoni Ewropea. Matul din iż-żjara von der Leyen iltaqat mal-President tal-Litwanja Gitanas Nausėda, mal-Prim Ministru tal-Litwanja Ingrida Simonite u indirizzat il-Parlament tal-Litwanja. Fl-20 anniversarju mitħul tal-Litwanja fl-Unjoni Ewropea, il-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea Ursula von der Leyen żaret il-kapitali ta' dan il-pajjiż Vilnius. Fil-Litwanja, von der Leyen iltaqat mal-Speaker tal-Parlament Viktorija Nilsen. Waqt diskors li għamlet fil-Parlament tal-Litwanja, il-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea qalet li l-post tal-Parlament innifsu huwa minn fejn il-Litwanja reġgħet mexxiet lil pajjiż fiċ-ċentru tal-Ewropa u fejn il-poplu tal-Litwanja ingħaqad għal-ħelsien.
It was the night of January 13th, 1991. Soviet tanks and troops were advancing across Vilnius, ready to storm this building and stamp out your democracy. But over 50,000 people gathered here from all across Lithuania. They stood shoulder to shoulder, singing and chanting and praying through the night until the morning. Their only weapon was their love for freedom. And they held back the most fearsome army on earth. These are the people of Lithuania. This is the spirit of Lithuania, fearless and free.
Qalet li ftit iktar minn 10 snin wara għal darb'oħra kien il-poplu tal-Litwanja li mexxa l-pajjiż il qudiem biktar minn 90% jivvutaw favur li l-Litwanja tissieħeb fl-Unjoni Ewropea.
And that choice has transformed not only your country, but all of Europe. Because with your accession, our union went back to its roots. Your history of resistance has made the Lithuanian nation unique. Unique in your love for freedom, unique in your support to other freedom-loving nations, unique in your aversion to any form of coercion. And since you joined, you reminded us what the European project has always been about. It is about our continent's path towards freedom. It is the story of democracies, young and old, getting stronger together. So Europe Day is for you.
Ursula von der Leyen qalet li l-Litwanja dejjem kienet fiċ-ċentru tal-istorja Ewropea u żammet kuntatti tajbin mhux biss mal-pajjiżi ġirien tagħha imma wkoll mal-pajjiżi Skandinavi, l-Ewropa ċentrali u iktar il-bogħod sal-Baħar l-Iswed. Qalet li qabel il-waqa tal-purtira tal-ħadid dan ma kienx possibbli. Dak li jissejjaħ The Iron Curtain kien jintuża biex jiddeskrivi l-Ewropa separata fit-tnejn mit-tmiem tat-tieni gwerra dinjija fl-1945 sa tmiem tal-gwerra l-birda fl-1991. Fin-naħa tal-lvant tal-purtira tal-ħadid kien hemm pajjiżi marbuta jew influenzati mill-Unjoni Sovjetika, waqt li fuq in-naħa tal-punent kien hemm il-pajjiżi tan-NATO.
But now, Lithuania reclaimed its rightful place in Europe. And it has been a homecoming. Because even if you are on the geographical frontier of our union, you are at the heart of Europe's life. You have become a strong player in Brussels and a strong partner for all other capitals. You are movers and shakers in European politics. And your 20 years in our union are a great success story. A European success story and a Lithuanian success story. Because you have made it happen with your vision and with your dreams. This is a country of innovators and entrepreneurs. And your talent is now recognized across the continent. Your startups have expanded well beyond your borders and conquered European markets. Your capital, Vilnius, is a growing tech hub which attracts people and investments from abroad. Your art, your literature, your opera has taken center stage all across Europe. And as a result, your GDP has jumped from 50% of EU average to almost 90%. So Lithuania has grown faster than any other new member state of our union. You have made the most out of our single market. But you have also shown that Europe is much more than an economic area for you. It is a family that travels together towards freedom.
Minkejja li l-Litwanja tmiss mal-provinċja Russa ta' Kaliningrad u wkoll mal-Belarus, mal-bidu tal-invażjoni Russa fl-Ukrajna ħadet pożizzjoni kontra din l-invażjoni u favur l-Ukrajna, kif spjegat von der Leyen stess.
You have been staunch supporters of Ukraine's sovereignty and independence already since the Orange Revolution and Maidan. And since the full-scale invasion has begun in 2022, your solidarity has been astonishing. And there is one story above all that shows how much you care for Ukraine's fight for freedom. It is the story of a Lithuanian journalist called Konstantin Gudauskas. He was in the Kyiv regions on the first days of the invasion when Russian troops arrived. Thanks to his dual nationality, Lithuanian and Kazakh, he was allowed to move out of Russian-occupied territory. But he did not flee. Instead, he decided to travel back and forth with his car, risking his own life to save as many people as possible. He defied Russian bombs and checkpoints, and he brought to safety over 200 Ukrainian civilians. And now they call him the Angel of Bucha. His story is one of unbelievable bravery, but there are so many other acts of solidarity by the people of Lithuania for their Ukrainian friends. You opened your homes and your hearts to thousands of refugees. You gave them full access to your economy. You crowdfunded to buy drones and radars for the Ukrainian armed forces. And in proportion to the GDP, Lithuania is one of the largest donors to Ukraine in the whole world. This is amazing, and you can be so proud of it. So I want to tell you that you are leading Europe by the power of your example. And today, you are a true inspiration for all Europeans.
Il-President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea komplettajt li għal ħafna snin il-Litwanja wissiet lill-Ewropa dwar il-periklu tar-Russja. Qalet li wara l-2014 il-Litwanja qalet lill-bqija tal-Ewropa li l-President Russu Vladimir Putin mhuwiex se jieqaf. Sostniet li l-Ewropa missa sema din it-twissija u qalet li l-Unjoni Ewropea ħadet wisq żmien biex tqum u tirrealizza t-theddida ta' Putin.
When you decided to break free from Russia's energy blackmail, our union stepped in with unprecedented funding for clean energy, storage, and interconnectors. It was here that I came to Lithuania together with Jens Stoltenberg when Belarus tried to destabilize you with a hybrid attack. Those were difficult months. Lukashenko tried to divide us, but Europe stood united, and together we tackled this crisis. And now we are joining forces again to defend and to boost our defense industry with legislation here in the Seimas that resonates with our European defense industrial strategy.
Matul is-sigħat ta' żjara tagħha f'Vilnius, Ursula von der Leyen iltaqgħet ukoll mal-Prim Ministru tal-Litwanja Ingrida Simonite u mal-President tal-Litwanja Gitanas Nauseda.